Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Make sure you're signed into an admin account and close any full-screen games. Once ready, press Windows +I to open Settings and navigate to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar. You'll see a simple toggle labeled Allow Xbox Game Bar to record clips and take screenshots. Turn that off. Do this first because it stops the overlay and most hotkey captures at once, preventing further background captures while we complete the cleanup. Continue straight to Gaming right arrow captures to remove automatic recording. You'll find background recording and record in the background. Switch both off so Windows stops keeping clips without your input. Also turn off record what happened to prevent accidental retroactive saves. Make sure capture audio and video lengths are reset if present. Once done, review keyboard shortcuts in Xbox Game Bar and disable or reassign Win+G and Win+Alt+R so you don't trigger captures by accident while gaming or streaming. Finalize by rebooting so all settings fully apply. Then launch a test session and confirm no new clips appear in video's /captures. If you still see captures, open Task Manager or Services and stop any Xbox game monitoring or Game DVR related services, then set them to disabled. As a last resort, and only if you're comfortable, add the policy key, allow Game DVR equals 0 under HKLM/software/policies, /Microsoft/Windows, /Game DVR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.